Hi everybody, hello everybody. I'm very happy to start with SCCM 2012 R2. So sorry for my accent because I'm from near Switzerland. So okay, but I think that you can understand me. So this is a good day for us because and for you because we'll start with System Center Configuration Manager 2012 R2. So I don't know if everybody knows this project, but we will see that in cover we cover everything. It will be a complete training with a lot of details. So a lot of hours and hours with me. So okay, so first maybe uh, just to do a small presentation. Okay, so I am Fabrice. I am Fabrice. Okay, so this is a typically French name. Hey, yep. I work all. I live sorry all over the world. My father used to work for United Nations, so I was working in Korea, living in Korea with my father. So just to show you some photos of me. Okay, so here is my family. Just this is me. Yeah, this is me. So this I'll be your trainer. So we were at Florence. It's in Italia. It's fantastic place. I love it. And this is my small girl. Okay, she's 12. My boy 10, and the last found the older one is Leo, Raphael, Marie, and my and me, Fabrice. Okay, so this is my son. Okay, this is my wife Muriel drinking some wine. Okay, so mustn't drink wine, huh? This is special wine in Italy. And this was a small cat over there. It was just a small cat, and we're giving some milk. So I'm living near Switzerland, just to show you where I am. Okay, so sorry about that. No, so I won't put. Sorry about Geneva. Okay, that's better. With your help here. So yeah, I'm living just here. Okay, it's not far from the border. So I'm in France and here in Switzerland. So it's very nice place. Just to, for example, when you go skiing, we have, for example, Morjura. It's station. We're at 10 minutes from the slope, so it's very nice. So let's go in more in image here. So it's wonderful. Okay, when you ski, for example, you can see Geneva here and the Alps, the Mont Blanc. Wow, amazing. Okay, presentation. So okay, so let's start with SCCM 2012 R2. So I'm Fabrice, French name. Um, I am I love training. Okay, so I train a lot of customer. So I train. I am a trainer. So MCT and not MCT and MCSE. Yeah, all 2012 R2 um, operating system. Yep, that's the best. Now there's other things. Yesterday I saw a movie on Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Wow, crazy movie. Really nice. Because what did Steve Jobs say? He says that your to Bill Gates that your product don't have any flavor. Wow, my God, no. But I think that today, okay, so Apple now is the biggest company, but now Microsoft also, of course, yeah. So I do also link training on voice and admin, and also I'm a Citrix instructor. Yep, that's nice. On XenApp 7.6 and Xen Desktop. Okay, I will do training on it. Okay, so this is very nice to hosting application and VDI. So yeah, and a lot of RPV and VMware also. Wow, woo, wow, a lot of training. Okay, so you know what? I just want to show you where I'm working. Okay, so let's do a small page here. Ajouter une page. It's in French. Add a page. Woo! So you're gonna learn French with me. So let's say my lab. Okay, so I'm doing all this on Windows 10. Okay, so look here, I have Windows 10. Yeah, Windows 10. So yeah, you don't sit down because it's not recording the bottom of the screen. So I'm using just, I'm gonna just take this here. Okay, it's, yep, I'm gonna take this, hop, 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 hop. Okay, you're doing real time, yeah? Yeah. So I'm using a Windows 10 on a Dell Precision M400. I have 32 gig of RAM, and I have, yeah, one disk SSD. It's not a lot. Just gonna see you here. Here. I know it's not a lot. Okay, so I have, okay. No, I have a place here. So this is my SSD, and this is a normal SATA disk. Okay, I want to change it because it's not very fast, but it's gonna be okay. And I have a big 2 terabit here where I have all my file. So really, you can do the same thing on me. You can have also Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. The thing is that in let's say RPV here, I'm going to put it like that. In Windows 7, you don't have RPV. Okay, so you must install VMware Workstation or you know VirtualBox. Okay, so this is it. So uh, why I'm different? Because Fabric is different. Yeah, this is not advertising. I, I do everything. I do yeah, everything with you. So I'm not gonna start from a lab and say and say and okay. So when you go in a Microsoft training center, I go. So but I think the problem is that all labs are set up. All labs are set up for you. So you don't. Okay. So you don't really. So you don't know how to do it after uh, in your lab or in your company. So okay, so we're gonna do everything like this. Wow. Okay. Okay. I have some neighbor will come back from holiday just down here. Very nice. Okay, so we're gonna start just speaking about little about a CCM. Okay, so what is it? Of course, we'll create two VM just to make some demonstration. Okay, we'll do it together. Okay, so but we can say what is okay. So this is a new section. So this is my new section. Let's say let's start. Let's okay. Let's start. Okay, that's good. Um, so we're going to do a small presentation of System Center Configuration Manager, SCCM. Um, for those who don't know really what is this product and the other product we have in System Center. Okay, so what is SCCM 2012 R2? Okay, so let's talk about little about System Center maybe first. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the website and open it, and we'll see that. Okay, so I'm gonna search for System Center. Yep, that's good. Of course, in English. Huh? Okay, because I'm in French, so on Savoir Plus. Okay, this is no good. So let's say we're gonna search it in English. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna change the language after, where I can change it. Oh, here. Maybe here. Yep. En. En. I don't know if it's working. We're gonna see. Oh no, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Oh gosh, like I told you, I show you everything. uh, where can I find the English version? Okay, so okay, okay, it was ENUS. Okay, I just search. I went just down and I went on this, just small club word club. Okay, okay. So what there is, we're gonna see the component there is in System Center. Okay, so this is nice to see. Okay, so the first, okay, just because people say I use System Center, and it's like if or they say I'm using SCCM, and they think that there is only SCCM. and that there is only SCCM, and that there is only SCCM. No, no, there is not only SCCM. System Center is a family. Okay, it's just like Windows. You have Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. Yeah, okay, so, and in System Center, okay, this is a family. You have a lot of product. Okay, so the first one is this one, SCCM. So this is a training I will do with you. So this is a way to do asset management. So you have a lot of computers in your company. Okay, you can have Windows, Mac OS. You can have also uh, iPad, iOS, Android, and you can have also computers not in your company behind your DMZ, and they can manage it, no problem. So what is it? I want to know. I want to do inventory, compliance setting. Okay, I want to do deploying operating system. Let's say I have 200 computers. They have Windows 8.1. I want to upgrade to Windows 10 or to wipe everything and to install it. So yeah, they will do it. Device management. I can do everything what I want just to see all my computers, the name, the inventory, hardware, software, everything. Okay, so this is SCCM. We have another one with SCCM, so System Center. Okay, Operation Manager. This one is to do monitoring. Okay, so I remember I was working in a company, and every night, okay, somebody calls me, IT, the operator, saying, "Hey, guy, there is not enough space on our server." Oh, gosh. I had to go take my car, go on the server, and do some delete some files. I think why? Because there was a monitoring saying that if there is not enough space, send me a monitoring, and we had a special horrible machine saying hello. This is for Fabrice. Okay, so like robots. So you can monitor everything. For example, you have SCCM or you have Windows, and for you the principal is very important. The service principal or so services. So if it's down, you want to send an alert and do something. So yeah, this is a way. So you can also look if your database, for example, is working correctly, meaning that okay, your SQL is up, but maybe you have a database with a problem. Okay, so you have a customer, with all database, and you want to see if it's working. So you can, uh, see if the table in database are up. So yeah. Okay, so we're talking about SCCM, okay, System Center Configuration Manager 2012 R2. Uh, so let's speak about what is this product. Wow, what is it? So okay, so what I will do first is that we're gonna do some presentation just to see what is doing SCCM, but we will very very quickly install our two VM, okay, or DC, a domain controller and an SCCM VM with SQL inside. So you will say, yeah, but I don't know how to install it. What to install it? Okay, no problem. We'll do a small proof of concept. Okay, a POC, proof of concept. POC, it's a proof. Sorry, of concept. Yeah, this is French way. On dit en français une preuve que ça fonctionne. Do you understand something? Now, okay, let's start again. Nous allons faire une preuve, montrer comment fonctionne 2012 R2. Oh, it's difficult, no? Okay, did you put the translation here from Google? No? Or from Sirius from Apple? No? Okay, so maybe I will do some French teaching for you if you are nice and if you do a good job, okay? Okay, so let's start. And you know what? I'm gonna use a bamboo Wacom. Oh yeah, this is nice. I love it. This is a Wacom I'm using for my training. So maybe if you want, to do some video also, we can work. You know, you can do it very easily. We can even work together. I don't know if you know something. Okay, so maybe if you know a technology, okay, you can send it to me and we can share knowledge like this. Okay, so I'm using a Wacom C. Wow, I'm writing very nice now. Woo, nice. A Wacom, a bamboo. So it's quite old. Okay, so bamboo. This is a song. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what is it. Okay, so this is mine. This one. Okay, it's very nice. Working very well. So I can use. I have a pen like this. The same one. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Maybe you didn't see it here. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so what is SCCM? Okay, it's a way. So I'm going to change my dessiner. Dessiner in English is draw. This is the first name. Okay, draw is dessiner. Okay, so dessiner is the name of draw. Okay, so let's come back SCCM. Okay, so you must be very patient. So stop Fabrice speaking about your life. Okay, so SCCM is to manage devices. Okay, so to manage devices. Okay, so what is device? Device is something intelligent. So for example, a PC is a device. So you can manage, with Windows 7, with Windows 8, and with Windows 8.1. Okay, so Windows 8.1 is since R2. For example, Windows 8, this one, it was only with SP1, Service Pack 1. We're gonna see what is it after. Okay, so this is a device. Um, you can also manage other thing, like something with Apple. Apple. Yeah, of course you know Apple. So here we have Mac OS. Okay, so we can manage this also. Yeah, no problem. And we can also manage, uh, other operating system. What do you say? Unix? What is it? Unix, of course. You can manage everything. So that's mine that you want to know. If SCCM is like we say, it's an asset. Okay, so it's a way that I want to know everything about my devices. I want to have a way to know, for example, okay, what is installed here? Okay, so I want to know, for example, so hardware, hardware, and softwares. Yeah, I'm doing it slowly. Yeah, normally if I don't do it, so after it's going to be very difficult. Software, inventory. Okay, so inventory, inventory. Wow, the T wasn't. I'm not scared about it. Okay, so so I want to know everything about what's inside here, software, hardware. I want to push also. Let's they say dessiner, Joe. Remember, yeah. Okay, so I want to push here software also. So I'm going to create. I'm going to take some package, some MSA file, or other package, and this package I want to push it on this PC. Okay, this PC or all the PC I have. Okay, so I want also to deploy operating system. Yep. But so I want to do very nice thing. So on this PC, when we will see how to deploy operating system, you will see that, of course, before I can save all the information on this computer, all the profile before wiping, because if my user say, hey, this is my new computer, hey, where's my document? Where's my favorite? Okay, no problem. You won't be very happy because I will do it, of course, for you. This is no good. This is good. Yeah, smiley face, happy face. Okay, so I want to do a lot of things here. I want to, for example, be able also to do remote access. Okay, to help this guy. He has a problem. I want to go on his computer and help him. Yeah. So I want to do a lot of things. So we'll see after all the list that we have. We can do a lot of things. I want to push, Windows update. No problem. I can do it. I can do everything with SCCM. It's huge and powerful. Uh, I can also, for example, do it also for computer who are not in my company. For example, who are not outside my DMZ. Okay, so I don't know, I have a user who bought a Surface. I don't know how you say in English. Okay, just tell me, just send me a mail. Okay, so Surface Pro, or for example, I don't know, he has an iPhone, an iPad, but he's not in my company. But I can also, just see what's inside. Not everything, but I can also, push application on iOS, Android, push application all by SCCM. So it's huge. Okay. Okay, is it okay? Is it my drawing very nice? My dessin. Okay, so in French it's dessin. Dessin means my drawing. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now let's see the version that we have. Okay, so I'm not talking about old version, SMS. I don't remember the name. It was SMS before. Wow, but they kept the SMS name in the log file or thing like that. It's very easy, very funny. It's like link. Uh, with I don't know if you know link, but with link partial, um, all the commands have. For example, you do get. It's CS like configuration. The CS. I don't name link before link. It was communication server. Yeah, so it's very funny, and they are they like to keep Microsoft old name. Just sniff sniff. Okay, oh, it's not finished. We keep having this name. Yeah. So let's talk about the. Okay, we're gonna add a new page here. Let's talk about the version. So I'm gonna go here on my computer and type version. Oh, not version. See, okay, really, we're doing the documentation in real time. See, I don't like to have documentation well, made. So let's talk about the okay. So the SP1. Okay, so maybe you have installed SCCM 2012 or 2012 SP1. Okay, so it was because before it was in 2012. Okay, so the big difference is that you can install it on 2012 and this one before it wasn't working in 2012. Okay, so this is the big, very nice. So when the SP1 came, wow, there was tons of future. Okay, of feature. Okay, sorry. So for example, the way that you can deploy Windows 8. Okay, this is what new because here it was only Windows 7. What's new? Okay, so we can also deploy uh, Windows Store applications, so apps. It's this is the APPX files. This is the application. We can deploy it. Okay, um, Windows 2012. Okay, so we can deploy also client on 2012. And of course Windows 8. Yeah, of course. Also, we can use now SQL 2012 to host the database because we're going to see that, of course, we have a database. I don't remember when I told you here, right? All the information here. When you do the hardware, okay, it's not doing okay. The hardware. The hardware is going back. Okay, will be sent to SQL database where you will be able to do some requests. Okay, so say okay, how many hardware I have, how many Office that I have installed. Okay, so this is it. So what's new? You can also because before it was only SQL uh, 2 uh, 2008 R2. Sorry. Also the way that you can push agents and manage on OS and Linux. Okay, this is also new. Mobile devices also, yeah. Okay, so mobile devices that are running, for example, Windows Phone 8. Wow, we're happy, huh? And also Windows RT. Okay, with an Android and Windows and Android extra. So, um, okay, and with devices who are not in your company, we're using Intune. Okay, so Intune, you're gonna speak about it after. Okay, Intune. Uh, the way also to do to have VM that are hosted on Azure. Okay, this is the cloud of Microsoft. Okay, so this is also, and also to using also AppV, so we can push AppV. AppV is a way that you push application even if the operating system is not working. Okay, for example, AppV, I use it before because AppV was first a company name. It was SoftGrid. Okay, SoftGrid, and SoftGrid was after. No, it was Softricity, not just SoftGrid and AppV. AppV is it was fantastic before because it's like a balloon, meaning that when customer pass it from upgraded from XP to 7, okay, you cannot upgrade. Okay, so You can install it. Okay, so you can upgrade it directly. So it's a clean installation. So, but maybe you had old application. Okay, so application are not working on Windows 7. So you can have product like Microsoft Axe, okay, who can help you, but AppV, AppV, sorry, is a way that this XP application I'm gonna run it on Windows 7. Normally it doesn't work, okay, so it's a pain in the ass, it doesn't work. So what I can do is AppV doing a small balloon, okay, and it's running inside this, and the application thinks it's XP, so it's working, nice. Of course, the best way is to have the new application for Windows 7, but it's not like this. Eh? It's not as simple as this. Okay, we're not in Disney World. Okay, let's go down and speak about now the new feature now on the version that I'm training on is SCCM 2012 R2. Okay, so S System Center Configuration Manager R2. So this one now is the one, okay, with available now. Okay, you can have information on it on the. So first, now you can manage devices with 2012 R2 and Windows 8.1. Wow, very happy. Not with Windows 10, okay, because Windows 10 is going to be I think it's ready. I want to see just if SCCM is working with Windows 10. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so SCCM 2012 R2. I'm not sure R2 with Windows 10. Okay, so I'm sure it's, yeah. Okay, and it says support. Oh, May 20. May was before my holiday. Stiff, no more holiday. Okay, so announcing support for with System Center following Brad. Okay, we're excited to share some details on what's incoming. Today we are making available for System Endpoint Protection technical preview. Okay, support for, okay, so it's okay. Okay, will be released in Q4. Okay, so support for Windows 10 upgrade. Okay, support for installing facial management as virtual machine, ability to manage Windows. Okay, this is mobile device management. Okay, so C. Okay, it's ready. Like I told you. Okay, not really now, but maybe tomorrow. If I tomorrow is September, so this is a very nice. I want to do maybe an extra training on it. Okay, what's new now also is we have some new roles. Okay, so we're gonna speak what is roles before, but we have a way to deploy certificate. Okay, so we can merge hierarchy. So merging System Center R2, and when you change something, you can merge it. Okay, a lot of certificate, new feature. Yeah, we can manage more simply VHD disk and VHDX, VHDX disk. Also, ability to view resident client setting. So you can also do configuration of VPN and Wi-Fi on computers. Deploying web application. Windows 8.1 apps bundles. Okay, to optimize the deployment of Windows Store application. So yeah, a lot of new feature we'll see in this train. Okay, I've got a new page now saying what is doing SCCM exactly. Okay, so let's go here. What is doing exactly SCCM? Okay, yep, my yeah, Destiny. Yeah, I know you know that now. So first of all, SCCM, see what's doing SCCM. So the first thing is doing hardware. So like we said before, hardware and software inventory. So software inventory. What is it? Uh, Saying that when you deploy SCCM agent, because for example we have, I don't know, we have let's say 200 PC with Windows 7, and so 100 PC with Windows 7 and 100 with 8.1, and I want to know all the hardware and the software. Okay, so this is it. So remember that you can so we install an agent or not. Okay, we'll see it after. We install a small piece of SCCM. It's a small agent. Okay, and the agent will okay will say SCCM will say, okay, what you must do, and one must you upload all the hardware and software inventory. So after this software is uploaded to SQL database, we'll see that after. Okay, so we're not in the presentation of the SCCM. So this is software inventory. Okay, so very simple to understand. Um, I want to know, all the software, and it's querying, WMI protocol. Okay, it's very known. We'll see that after. Okay, so secondly, we're doing asset intelligent. Okay, we are intelligent. Yep. So intelligence, intelligence. Okay, this is not FBI or CIA. Okay, so yeah, what is it? We're going to use a catalog, okay, like a catalog when you buy thing, yeah. So it's more powerful than just this one, because we're going to use a catalog, and in this catalog, okay, so it will contain all this software and license, okay. So I will have all this software and and the license, okay. So it's more intelligent, okay. I can have really a catalog and saying, okay, how many office I have, how many license I have. So this is very important to have this. Maybe you are hearing some noise of my bird, because I have birds. I don't know if you know, but I will show you my bird. Yeah, I have this small bird. I have three of them here, so that's why you're hearing some noise about my bird. It's like this, they are very happy because they are listening and they hear me do some training. So that's why you hear some noise, sometime birds noise. Okay, this is life. Yeah. So yeah, this is very nice. It's intelligent to have a catalog. We see that everything together after. We have also software metering. So software metering, metering. So it's doing monitoring and collect software. So it's gonna monitor. Where is it here? Yeah, it's gonna monitor and collect software. So it's doing monitor, and he will collect all information about my software, and generate some reports, and generate reports, so I can see how they're used. Okay, so they can generate some reports about how my application is used in my company. Okay, so this is the asset. Okay, so we have really these three feature. It's asset. Okay, now we have also, let's go down a little here. So this is all your application. So this is a way that SCCM will allow you to create your application, and of course after to deploy them, to deploy your application and monitor in your. This is the best thing, okay, because it's all the package. So change, okay, it's changing, okay. So and two, uh, let's go down a little. Okay, no, not so fast. Come back here. Uh, uh, this is good. This is good like this. Okay, after we have the software update management. So software update, update. Okay, management. So this is tools, okay, to also to manage and deploy and monitor, of course, because all the time we want to be sure all the software update. Okay, so all these software updates. So when you do an update, like you do with WSUS, okay, Windows Update Services, they use that. Okay, they're gonna use all this to deploy all this update. After we have the, oh, I love this one, operating system deployment. Deployment. And this is great, okay, because this is a way when this is why people buy SCCM, because for example you have middle deployment. Okay, so we are here and you want in 3 months or more You are in Windows 7 and you want to do migration to 8.1. Okay, change your OS. Okay, so with SCCM you can do like we say a zero touch. Wow, zero touch is quite fantastic because we have light touch also. Light touch, meaning that somebody must go on your computer to do something. Okay, so zero touch, for example, you say, okay, I have 100 computers, and I will do some sequence saying that, okay, first I'm gonna collect the application. Secondly, I'm gonna I'm gonna save all my profile, okay, with a user state migration tools. It's it's saving the profile. After I will give either new computers to the user, or use the existing one. Okay, so existing one. So if I use a new computer, I must deploy, okay, Windows 7. Wait, this is simple. But after I must get back all the profile that the user had on previously on Windows 7. So I must retrieve all the profile, because he will say, where's my favorite? Where's my I had some paper, paperboard. I had something, all my application were sitting, so, and now I'm not going to do it again. He's crazy. So I say, okay, no problem. With zero touch, I can do it. Zero touch is zero way that you don't do anything. Okay, so this new computer will do pixie boot. Don't have to press on F12, okay, to go in it, and all will be done. Wow. Light touch is more something you do, but you must go on the new PC and do something. So you must send somebody and press to do something. Uh, with zero touch, we're gonna see we can install MDT software. This is fantastic. It's amazing. Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Wow, you're gonna see that. Okay, so this is always deployment. Okay, after in 4 we have the content management. See all we're doing. Okay, so content management. So content management, what is it? It's everything. Of course, it's the content management is the resources that the files. Okay, so for example, you want to push application like Office. Okay, let's say this one. This is a file, of course. You want to push an operating system. This is files, of course. This is an OS-based file. You want to push Windows updates. It's files also. So all these files and all these files will be accessible by client through DP. That's it. You know what is it? It's a distribution point. Distribution point. That's it. Okay, so this is the other one is management point. We're going to see after. This is very important. So SCCM has a way to manage this content. How the client will be able to access, okay, this information. Let's look at that. So C, content management provide the tools for you to manage content file for application, package, software update, and OS deployment. Configure Manager uses distribution point to sort files that are required for software to run on these computers. Of course, this distribution point function as a distribution center for or the content file and let user download and run the software. And of course, the client must have access to this DP from which they can download the files. So a lot of things. We'll see there's a lot of things, okay, here to do. Multicast, distribution point, and wow, big work. Okay, so let's continue. So now we have the compliance setting. Okay. Oh, doing too fast. Yeah, here's it. The compliance setting. Wow. Compliance, I like it, okay? So compliance setting is something very nice. I was working for a bank, and it's all must be compliance. So we're gonna track. We're gonna track all your computer devices and remediate it. Okay, so do a remediate. Okay, so I have a small example. I had before we had two application. Okay, so application A and application B. And the problem is that these two applications, were on 50 BC, and people, was has a very critical job. Okay, so they was working in bank. So and the problem is that they changed destiny. Yeah, the when each time this application was changing something in the registry, and the problem is that the application B couldn't work. It's stupid. So what you can do with compliance setting is saying that each time this one change it, you don't want this one to change. Okay, so this one will work. Okay, it's just when he change it doesn't work with this one. So you can do compliance saying that every time this is changed, the reg value, for example, A was I don't know A, and you want it to be B. It's an item. Okay, so what you can do is say that every time it's changed, I want to put it back to B. So even if in the future, if again, so the compliance will change it to B, but imagine the A is really no saying, no, I want to change it to B. Okay, so but with these compliance rules, it will this one will change to B, so there will be no problem. This is an example, okay, of compliance. Um, Other thing you can do with compliance setting is saying that you don't want files, for example, to be copied on the document folder on the local hard disk on all your laptop. This is no good. So you can say, okay, I want that all the document will be redirected to a share, for example. This is typical example you can find on TechNet. This is yeah, okay, this one. This one I had it in a bank. Okay, so this was very very nice. Okay, so compliance setting. Let's go back to my blue one, pen, and for a pen in English is you can say a stilo, stilo. Okay, so okay, stay at the end of the module for your first training. Six. We have also power management. So power management. Power management, of course. Hey, this is very important, okay? Because power, okay, this one is nice, is money, money, money. So what you can do, for example, you can say, okay, in lunchtime, okay, between 12 and 1 p.m., for example, you want all the laptop, to have a power plan, saying that all must be cut, the screen, the hard disk, okay. Also for the server, okay, for example. But normally for server, you don't use it like this, okay, because you have very powerful, solution. For example, you have VMware. VMware. Who is VMware? The other guy. No, you have a DPM. Okay, so yeah, it's DPM. Yeah, DPM. And with Hyper-V, okay, you have same thing. So just cut off, server when they're not used. Citrix had it before in Xenap 7, 6.5, and 7, but now it's finished. We have other solution for that. So power management is very important because you can set some baseline for using not to how you say that not to spend a lot of money for all this power use. So in 7 we have something important is client health. It's in a good health. So it's yep, client health. A lot of customer ask me because the problem is that if the agent doesn't work, you can have some problems. So customers say, hey, which client is working? Does all my agents are working? So all my devices are sending information to SCCM. So this is a way to have a report. So you can say, for example, that I don't know 90% of my computer are healthy, but 10%, and why and how can I do remediation about that? This is very important. This is clean health. Okay, we have a lot of things. More and more. 8 points is now the user data and profile. Okay, this is very important also. So user data and data, yep, and profile. Um, okay, this is you can this is used for folder redirection, for example. Folder redirection or offline setting. Offline files, offline files when people wants to go with files. Other they go in the train. And also, of course, also rooming profile. Okay, so rooming profile. All this is managed by user data amplifiers. After we have also remote connection profiles. So a lot of things in change management, of course. Huh? So we have remote connection profile, remote connection profiles, and this is to manage inbound remote connection. Okay, so okay, this one is very nice. The remote connection profile. Okay, so this is a way so that from your home, for example, you have a PC at your home. Okay, so you have a PC or an Android at your home, and this is your personal, and you want to connect to your PC without work. Okay, so you need RDS. Before the name was Terminal Server Gateway, and with that you can connect to your PC, and it's working with RDP. So this is very nice, for example, when you're on call. So, okay, I remember my work before. I had to go to my office to solve problem. When we put this feature, okay, after we install Citrix Xenap, okay, this is was Xenap and remote PC. Remote PC catalog with Citrix was fantastic, but this one is very nice. So you can connect. This is it. This is quite simple, but very very nice. Okay, we have now in 10 we have company. This is nice when you want to access your company data by VPN. Company resources access. So by VPN, okay, you can connect to your data and to your information. Okay, this is nice also. After we have something is NAP, so network access protection. Okay, NAP is nice, but it is finished in Windows 10 server. Okay, the one was going to go after 2012 R2. So, but it's nice. It's protecting. Okay, from that PC while in your company are heavily. For example, you have a PC with virus or not Windows Update. It will not come in my company. And now the last one. Wow, a lot of thing. Huh? Is the last one on the list is the endpoint protection. Yeah, of course, endpoint protection. And this one is okay. This was done before with Microsoft Forefront endpoint, but now it's integrated. This is for all firewall and anti-malware. Okay, so protection. Okay, now we talk about the hardware, the asset. Okay, so all the asset here. We talk about change management. And now we'll talk about the last one. It's the console. Okay, it's the admin console. That's the admin futures. Sorry about that. Yeah. So let's take it here. So now we have something with all the admin feature. Sorry, not the future. So first we have all what is reporting. Reporting is all what is done by SQL. Okay. So reporting is a very powerful done web by SQL reporting services. Okay. Uh, we have also a monitoring. So we have admin features. So this is reporting. We have monitoring, and this is a way to monitor all the client health. Okay, so all the client health, and all the other client errors. Okay, so we have also the remote management. this is the future to access any client computer, okay, and do remote control. So we have all remotes. That's nice, like TeamViewer, thing like that. And we have role based. Okay, so role based is all the roles that we have in SCCM. Okay, so this is very nice. Okay, that's the end. Okay, so it's just okay. Now you're gonna see my French. I want my French lesson. Okay, so let's do some French funny. Okay, so okay, this is the first thing. I love to do that. Okay, maybe you can do it also in Spanish. I have other instructor in my company would do also in Spanish and in Arabic, but in French. So let's start. Okay, so it's easy. Okay, easy. The name easy. You can say in French facile. Facile. C'est facile. It's easy. Okay, a computer. Okay, we can say computer, but we say ordinateur. Ordinateur, for example. Uh, the sun. The sun. Okay, so very sunny day. Soleil. Okay, so I have video after. We'll go in my town and we'll speak with people. It's very nice. You're gonna see that. So you can say a training, for example. You know what is training? Training is formation. Oh, that's funny. And I'm not gonna say bad words. Okay, this is not the way. I don't want to say bad words. So thanks for this. Okay, for this, we're gonna have more and more, and I'm gonna do some phrase. Also, thanks is merci. Okay, merci. And voila is voila. You say also voila sometimes. So voila. Okay, so this thing for what is doing a sim, we're going to see after the overview of all what is a central site, a secondary site, etc. Okay.